Hello friends, welcome to Education for You channel. Today I am going to discuss about important questions of MCS 42 course of IGNOU MCA. MCS 42 course is all about data communication and computer network. So let us see what are the important questions. Okay, before proceeding to this video, I would like to request you to pause the video wherever required and note down in a paper or notepad in your computer. Okay, so note down what are the important questions chapter wise. Okay, then after going through this video, prepare notes for each question or topic that have been discussed in this video. In this way you will be able to score good marks and you will be able to pass the exam. Before proceeding, I would also request you to subscribe to our channel, that is Education for You channel. Also, in the end, if you like this video, please hit the like icon, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in comment section. Now, let us see what are the important questions. Coming to book 1, unit 1, that is Introduction to Computer Network. You should know what are the various topologies of LAN architecture, LAN implementation or technology. Okay, so there are various topologies such as bus topology, mesh topology, star topology. Okay, so you should know about these all topologies, and also you should know what are the advantages and disadvantages of these topologies. It is very important topic not only for this exam but also for your future interviews also as a software engineer. You should know OSI layers and TCP IP layers. Okay, as we know there are 7 OSI layers and 4 TCP IP layers, so you should know what are the exact layers. Okay, and what is the difference between OSI layers and TCP IP layers. Okay, so now coming to book 1 unit 2, that is data transmission, let us see what are the important questions. You should know what are the transmission mediums. There are numerous transmission mediums starting from twisted pair cable and coaxial cables to optical fiber cables. So you should know all the transmission mediums and what are the advantages and disadvantages of each one of transmission mediums. For example, you may be asked to write the features of twisted pair cable, baseband coaxial cable, broadband coaxial cable, and optical cable. This question may come, so prepare accordingly. Now coming to book 1 unit 3, that is data encoding and communication technique. Let us see what are the important questions. You should know how a analog signal is converted into digital signal. Okay, this is very important question. It is available on page number 75 of IGNOU MCA book. Okay, similarly you should know how a digital signal is converted into analog signal. What is the requirement to convert analog into digital and vice versa. So suppose I can say that for digital to analog conversion there is only one requirement, that is to transmit the signal for longer distance. Okay, as you know digital signal is comprising of approximately it requires 4 pairs of cable. Okay, in the analog signal, okay, only one pair will be sufficient for carrying the signals. So if you want to transmit the data from one place to far away place, okay, without using the internet technique, so you should be able to convert it. So this is one requirement. So similarly you should know why analog to digital signal is converted. simple. We know that digital to analog conversion is required where we have to transmit the signals in longer range. Okay, so once we convert digital to analog signal, we have to convert that analog signal into digital signal for retrieving the data and using the data. So it is very simple. So go through these techniques. Okay, there are numerous techniques for conversions. Okay, you should be thorough about each and every technique as a student. One of the frequently asked question is advantages of QAM over FM and AM. Okay, these three are digital to analog signal conversion techniques. Okay, so go through them. Coming to book 2 unit 1, that is data link layer fundamentals. Let us see what are the important questions. You should know flow control mechanism thoroughly. It is available on page number 18. Go through it. Now coming to book 2 unit 2, that is retransmission strategies. Here are the important questions. First one is stop and wait ARQ. It is very frequently asked and very important question. It is available on page number 26. I am once again repeating, please don't rush through the video. Okay, you will know the concepts. Okay, but pause the video and note down all these topics so that you will be able to prepare notes accordingly. If you want to pass and also you want to increase your knowledge, please prepare your handwritten notes, okay, from your book or from watching various videos or from reading online PDF books. Okay, so knowledge is everywhere, only you should know how to utilize them. Okay, so please note down the important questions. I have categorically divided into unit wise and book wise so that you will be easily have the access to the topic straight away. Okay, so I have given also page numbers so that you can easily go to the topic. Okay, you don't need to search through the pages. So you prepare a notes for each course. Okay, we are discussing about MCS 42 course here. Similarly, we have also uploaded MCS 41 and MCS 43 course important questions. Okay, go through them, note down. This is very important for your examinations. Okay, so let us see what are the important questions here. Next technique is go back and ARQ is very important topic. Okay, it is available on page number 29. Please go through it. Another topic is selective repeat ARQ. This is also very important question that is frequently asked. Please go through page number 30. Now coming to book 2 unit 3, that is contention based media access protocols. Let us see what are the important questions. Slotted aloha. This is one of the frequently asked questions. Okay, so you should know what is aloha and what are the types of aloha. Okay, so go through this topic. It is available on page number 39. Also you should be able to calculate throughput in the slotted aloha and other aloha techniques also. Next important topic is CSMA and CSMA CD. Okay, these two topics are very frequently asked. Okay, you should know what is CSMA technique and what is CSMA CD technique. Okay, when you read CSMA, you should be able to answer what is persistent CSMA and what is non-persistent CSMA. Similarly, when you read CSMA CD technique, you should be able to spell out why CSMA CD can't be used in wireless LAN. Finally, you should also be able to differentiate between CSMA and CSMA CD. if you have not gone through any of these topics till now, don't worry. Okay, write down each topic. Okay, when you go through topics na, you will be easily grasping the contents. Okay, don't worry if you are not familiar with these topics. Okay, don't be disheartened, there is still much more time you have. Okay, just go through these topics, make your notes, and you will easily pass the examination with good marks. So next topic is Ethernet frame format. There is a typo, it is 802.3. Okay, so you should know what is Ethernet frame format, that is 802.3. Okay, that is available on page number 43. Please go through it. Now coming to book 2 unit 4, that is wireless LAN and data link layer switching. In this chapter, wireless LAN architecture protocol, earlier we have seen Ethernet protocol, that is 802.3. Now in this chapter we have to study wireless LAN architecture protocol, that is 802.11. So go through page number 47 to know about this topic. Next topic is hidden station and exposed station problems. You should know what are these problems and how to solve these. You should know what is MACA and MACAO, MACA and MACAW. Okay, they are available on page number 49. Please go through these topics. Next topic is difficulties in building bridge between various 802 LANs. Okay, there are number of different types of LANs which fall under major protocol, that is 802. Earlier we have seen Ethernet protocol is 802.3, and in this chapter we have seen that wireless LAN architecture protocol is 802.11. So suppose we have to build a bridge between these two LAN technologies. Okay, so what are the difficulties that we will be facing when we will build a bridge between these two different LAN architectures? Okay, so please go through page 57, you will easily grasp the contents. Now coming to book 3 unit 2, that is routing algorithms. Let us see what are the important questions. You should know Bellman-Ford algorithm. Similarly, you should know count to infinity algorithm and how to solve this problem. Next topic is routing. There are two types of routing, broadcast routing and multicast routing. So you should know these topics thoroughly. Next chapter is, that is book 3 unit 3, congestion control in public switched network. Let us see the important questions. I hope you are pausing the video and making notes so that you don't hurry, because by listening this video you will not get anything. Okay, you prepare your notes after preparing the important topics, noting down. Okay, go back to your books, then you prepare further topic wise notes. Okay, and you should retain this notes till your examination finishes. Okay, so in the congestion control in public switched network, you should know what is the leaky bucket traffic shaper and what is token bucket traffic shaper. These topics are available on page number 47 and 48. Now coming to book 3 unit 4, that is internetworking. Let us see what are the important questions. First topic is IP addressing classes. This is very important not only for this exam of IGNOU's MCA or any other university's MCA course. It is very important for your interview point also. Okay, when you go for interview after finishing MCA, and if you have applied for networking post, okay, so definitely they will expect you to know the IP addressing classes and why there are 5 different IP addressing classes have been classified into. Okay. Next topic is BGP routing protocol, that is available on page number 67. You should also able to explain how BGP is different from other vector routing protocols. This is 5-liner answer. It is available on page number 69 in the IGNOU book. Okay. Now let us see what are the important questions of book 4 unit 2, that is TCP UDP. There are 4 important topics in this chapter. Okay. First one is TCP segment header, that is available on page number 22. You should know what are the components of TCP segment header. Okay. Please go through this topic. Second topic is two-way and three-way handshake methods. This is available on page number 24. Please go through these methods. Third topic is TCP congestion control algorithm. You should know what is TCP congestion control algorithm, why it is used. Okay. And last topic in this chapter is remote procedure call, that is RPC. You should also know why RPC is important for your programming. Okay, it is available on page number 32. Once again, I am reiterating that if you don't know these topics, okay, if you have not ever gone through your books, okay, don't worry, you will be easily able to grasp these topics once you go through your books. Okay, just note down the topics, and for now, don't worry about these unknown topics, if any. Okay, I will be uploading videos very soon. Okay, hit the bell icon so that you will get notification. Also subscribe to our channel. Now coming to book 4 unit 3, that is network security part 1. Let us see what are the important questions. You should know what is symmetric cryptography and what is non-symmetric cryptography. It is available on page number 38. And in the symmetric cryptography, you should know what are block ciphers and what are stream ciphers. Okay, you should also be able to differentiate between block ciphers and stream ciphers. Now you should also be able to describe what is DES. Okay, so it is available on page number 43. Please go through it. Also on page number 57, RSA algorithm is discussed. Okay, it is also very frequently asked question. Now coming to book 4 unit 4, that is network security second part. Let us see what are the important questions. Digital signatures. This topic is very important. Okay, please go through page number 68. Okay, when you are developing a web based application, okay, you have to use the digital signatures if required. So go through this topic. In this one, last topic is Kerberos authentication mechanism. It is given on page number 79. Please go through this topic. So here were the topics which are very relevant for your exam in the IGNOU MCA MCS 42 course. Okay. So subscribe to our channel. We are going to upload all topics in detail so that you can learn the topics and write down in the examination. So if you have liked this video, please hit the like button. Also, I request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications. If you have any queries or comments, please add them in public comment section. Once again, I am telling you, by seeing the topics, you might be wondering this is a very tough subject, but it is very important, and also it is very easy chapter or course. Okay, just note down the important topics and write down your prepare your own notes on each topic. Okay, it will hardly take around 20 to 30 pages for making the notes. Okay, once you make these notes, you will be easily able to score around 60 to 80% marks. Okay, so all the best for your exam.